the fish that swim? Who made the fish that swim? Almighty God. Who made the birds that fly? The birds that fly, the birds that fly. Who made the birds that fly? Almighty God. Who made the you and me, you and me, and you and me? Who made the you and me? Almighty God. Who made the twinkling stars, the fish that swim, the